How to recover deleted Instagram posts in 2022. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can simply recover all your deleted Instagram posts. So first I need to open up Instagram app, and there I need to get in my profile page. Then I need to tap on these three lines icon, just do it, and here I look for your activity. Next I just find it, it's recently deleted. I just tap on it, and here I see that I have no recently deleted content. Let's make it, go back for a couple of steps and let's delete some posts. And just make like that, delete this post, yes, I want to delete it, and then dismiss, and then I go back, make the same actions, your activity, recently deleted, and here it is, here I got the post I just deleted. I will tap on it and tap here, and here I see the restore option. I select this, tap here, and tap here again on the red text restore. I just waited for a couple of seconds and check this out. I will refresh my page, and here I see this post was successfully restored. So now you know how you can recover deleted posts from your Instagram account. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you. See you next time.